Morning everybody, it's Sunday morning, it's the 31st of October. Happy birthday to my big brother.
Happy Halloween as well.
Happy Halloween. They're all getting ready to do the Festival of the Dead here, or whatever they do, or All Saints, and everybody meets up. But yeah, we had a lovely stop at Molina, and we are now heading to...
somewhere else that begins with M.
Yes. Medinaceli. It's another fortified town, but it's got a lot of Roman and what they call here Celtic Iberican heritage, which means basically the people before the Romans, the Bronze Age, they're Celtic and Iberian settlers.
Yeah.
Learn something new every day.
We're hoping that the rain's going to clear up before we get there.
Yeah, it is raining. We saw a lot of vultures circling today. I don't know how far they got before they decided it's raining and decided to land. I don't know, do vultures land? Where do they sit? They just sit in the ground and wait it out. I don't know. Answers on a postcard. No prizes. This will be months away before you watch this. Anyway, we're on our way. We're going to see what we can see. Roads are pretty quiet at the moment. And we're actually listening to a little bit of Spanish radio, which we couldn't make out head nor tail of it until Danny Boy came on, and it tweaked all our Irish ancestry, so it did. Anyway, catch you later. Coming into the ancient town of Medinaceli. See the sign on the right, and we're looking for
then you have reached your destination.
Aire camping car, which I think it's going to be down there.
Yes, camping car.
You have reached your destination.
Oh, a few camping cars.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Wowza, wowza.
Choice. Where do we squeeze in? I think I'm going to reverse it in that space there. That's a little bit wet, but we should be alright.
It's a bit sheltered as well, isn't it? It's off the edge.
Reversing the camera on. It's pretty straight between the lines to me. And that'll do. They seem to be fairly firm underfoot, so I don't think we're going to have any issue getting out. Well, everybody, we're at the Aire at Medinaceli. There's a service point just behind us, quite a few vans, big open empty space. We are right on top of a big hill with views all the way around. Got the old town behind us, which we're just going to go and have a look, which is got a lot of Roman architecture, a lot of Roman remains, but they believe that parts of the walls are actually pre-Roman. They're the Celto-Iberian descendants who were first here. Hope the wind noise is a bit too much, but let's go and have a look what this town's got. building you see behind us is an art gallery. It also used to be the Ducal's Palace, built in between the 16th and 17th century. It houses a Roman mosaic, a floor mosaic. It's one of the ones they found when they relaid all of this plaza in 1984, and they found many Roman mosaics behind it. So many that we don't know what's happened. Maybe they just recovered them and left them for another 2,000 years for somebody to discover, rather than lift them. But it's a big old space, and this used to be the centre of the Roman Forum. This is where, all that time ago, they'd come, meet, do what they needed to do. Amazing that there's that much history in this little tiny town.